No ethanol, people. Let's keep it clean. Okay, old school. Let's see. One moment, please. Still waiting. Look at these prices. Isn't that crazy? It's come down. It's still insane. I hate it. Still waiting. I imagine sometime today we'll have some fuel in this truck. This is where I play the Jeopardy music. Oh, there we go. Okay, what should we do? What should we do? I think we're gonna go there. 61 miles, people. Let's see how many gallons we go. Okay, that's all right. Get my receipt. Now 3.5 gallons after 61 miles. Had a bunch of cold starts. That ain't too bad. Still not ready with the receipt. I gotta say, I'm still really nervous about this whole Turo thing. I've invested a lot of money buying this stupid truck. It's not a stupid truck. It's a great truck. Don't listen to my frustration. This is just who I am. Still waiting on the receipt. Hey, thank you. Whew. Oh, it's nice and warm in here. It's freezing out there. Look at that. 25 degrees. It's warmed up like 4 degrees since I started. Okay. Away we go. Let's see what kind of mileage we can get this thing up to before we drop it off. I've had a couple of Tacomas in the past. I've had an 05. That was a regular cab. Or sorry, not a regular cab. A access cab is what they call it. So I had the long bed, the mini little back door. It was a 6-speed manual. That was a fun truck. I love that truck. I actually bought it from the same place I bought this truck from, Granite Peaks Motor Company down in Pleasant Grove. Those guys are awesome to deal with. If you ever get a chance, they've got a car that on their lot that you're interested in, don't hesitate to go down there, talk to Robert. Thane was the gentleman that helped me with this deal as well. But Robert's been a friend of mine for a long time. Go talk to those guys. They're a great little family business. They treat you right, very personable, very fun. If you got kids, take them down there. They'll take care of your kids. So I'll make sure you have a very, very good experience. Look at this beautiful day, Salt Lake City, Utah. Got snow in the mountains. This has been a crazy year. And here we are going into economy parking. This is what we do, folks. This is how you do it. You go to economy parking. The airport offers a free shuttle to this parking lot to and from, so it makes it really convenient.
Please scan access card or press the
How do I get an
screen
access
for
card? You guys know how to get an access card? I want to get an access card. But typically in the back here, kind of next to the gas station. One, I like to park back here because I can just get a close walk to the gas station for any friends or family members that may be helping me out and coming to pick me up from the airport when I drop this off. But let's see. I was gonna say 2 because there's usually spots available. I'm not seeing anything. All right, let's see what we can come up with. Oh, there's one right there. Oh, that's a handicap. Dang it. That's what I thought we had. Nope, we ain't handicapped. Oh, we got a good spot right there. That's not bad. Bus stop's right at the end of that road. This isn't horrible. And it's an end spot, so I can give myself plenty of room by the door. Look at that, we ended up with 18.2. All that little stop and go stuff. I'm pretty pleased with that. Okay, I have to stop filming so I can take some pictures. I gotta record mileage and submit all the information to Turo, get this gentleman set up, and hopefully he has an amazing trip. All right, everybody, there it is. We're parked at E9. I just finished checking in with Turo. Now I've got a long walk back to the, well, I shouldn't say it's too long. Not very long. A little bit of a walk back to the gas station where my buddy's gonna pick me up from. I want to confirm, I'm gonna walk this way. I want to confirm which bus stop is closest. I told him 11. Let's see, there's the old girl, E9. I want to say that big pole up there says 11. I'm pretty sure that's the bus stop. Yep, that's it. That's the bus stop. Okay, so I told him correct. So, way over there, you can see that's the gas station. So that's where I'm gonna head. Okay, I'll wait till he's done with his trip. Let's see, today's Thursday. He's dropping it off Sunday at like 3:30 a.m. is when he flies out. So hopefully he reports back where he parked it and we'll get it picked up and see what kind of condition it's in. I have a good feeling about this. I think he's going to be respectful. I think he's going to take care of the truck for me. I'll give him a good review. He gives me a good review. Everybody's happy, and we go move on to the next one, which is I want to say it starts next week, maybe the week after, and then see how many more get booked. So till then. Okay, there's one very important detail about parking your vehicle at the airport economy parking lot. When you come in, you get a little card. To get out, you still need this card. Guess where it is? Not in the truck where it's supposed to be. Huh? I just got done walking all the way to the airport gas station. Now I gotta walk all the way back. I'm glad I realized it before I got too far. I mean, as far as like out of town, but whew, that was a close one. Feels like it's 12 degrees out here. It's freezing. Okay, we're gonna do a little trial run on our lockbox since I forgot the stupid key pass to get out of here. That guy would have been pissed that he got a bad review. First time Turo nerves and jitters and whatever you want to call it. There it is. Got my lockbox in bed. I have one for the hitch, I just hadn't shown it yet. So I just got this one from Walmart last night so I can get this guy taken care of. Okay. And we're just gonna leave that right there. Hopefully you can see that. Okay. Oh, I don't know if I showed you. Got the dude some snacks. I know I talked about it, but there they are. All set for him. Watch this. Locked. I love that feature. Back in the box. And now I will go to the airport gas station to meet my ride. Process. I'm so flustered and distracted and mentally conflicted with having this truck, having a payment on the truck, the stresses of being able to afford to make the truck payment every month through Turo earnings and not having to come out of my pocket, plus hopefully making a profit on top of that, because if you don't make a profit off your investment, then what's the point? Obviously there is none. As great as the little Tacoma is, it's really not a truck I would choose for myself to own. So I don't want to just barely get by making the payment. I am doing this to make a profit. That's the only reason anybody should do it. So doing little things like getting the guy some snacks, as a thank you for being my first booking. Having constant communication, being very clear, and holy cow, what is that? Check this out. What is that? It's kind of like an old Toyota Hilux kind of thing, but what is this thing? Yeah. The things you see. That is so cool. Alaska. That's awesome. But anyway, I wonder how many of these, maybe that's on Turo. Is that on Turo? Who knows? I wonder how many of these cars. You guarantee there's a bunch of them that are, because It's become quite popular to do. That was one of my hesitations about starting to do this before, is there's so many people starting to do it that I wasn't sure if it was something I could be profitable at. So far, like I said, we've got 3 bookings already lined up, and they're all really close together. Hopefully they just keep coming. But there we are at the gas station. I'm gonna go get inside, get warm, wait for my ride. My hand feels like it's about to fall off. It's freezing. Okay. Once again, till next time.